small video. Anyone that have a vacuum of this caliber, size, style, and you need to get in there to clean it. Very simple. I'll show you. First, you remove the battery. You remove the battery pack like so. Put it aside safely. And if you notice, there's an arrow here and a lock there. If you do not remove the battery, you won't be able to unlock it. So then follow the instructions of unlocking it with it like that. Pull the chamber out. Put that aside very carefully. And there's a button here. Press that and it should eject. You get the garbage out. You also could replace that. Now to clean the filter, it's over here on this side. You just pull the filter out. It fits in a groove. Like so. Like so. So you pull the filter out, and this part also need to be cleaned. So we got to remove that piece. Just pop it out like so. Clean it in the dustpan. You could even wash that and let it dry. You could wash that, but do not wash this unless it's absolutely necessary. You can dust that out. Whatever you do. Wash that, and then when it's dry, make sure it's dry. You replace it like so. Just push it in. Make sure it's dry. And then this have, like I said, have a tab there that goes into the tab there, like that. Once that's in place, then we could replace it back over here. Now the key to replacing it back over here is the discharge or inlet to the filter is here, so it will have to go in line with that. So it's better you put it like that. Like so. And it snaps in. And then you make the turn. Lock. My bad, it's not working. It wasn't set properly, I think. And you lock it in. So it's stable. And you go here, you line the tracks up on the battery pack. And don't get too confused with it. The handle have a track here and a track there. All you do is slide it in very gently. Stamp it in. And it's done. It's finished. Yeah. Of course, that's telescopic. To make it longer or shorter.